North-South divide. Is it yet another feature that will be revived for the 2024 general elections?
It's yet another nail in the coffin of the Congress party.
So,
Why did the Congress support DMK on this North-South divide issue?
there was also a data expert who tweeted the
Yeah.
same and later deleted it.
Yeah.
This, I'll give you guys a story.
What? I don't know this.
Yeah.
Was this the same data expert who
Sa-
sold a dud app to the Congress?
Yes.
This guy in 2018 did say that Modi ji winning again in 2019 is a black swan. So मैंने पूछा black swan होता क्या है? I didn't know what it was. So he says impossible. Like, you know, black swan you see once in a while. 2014 was once in a while. Impossible. Modi ji will win again. It's a black swan event. 2014. 2019 turned out Modi ji won with a bigger mandate. I think Modi ji must be doing gratitude every night that these are the kind of opponents he has. The North-South divide was stupid, was absolutely ridiculous, and it takes away from the Congress party being the first and the oldest nationalist party of the country. And I'm glad that the Congress nipped it in the bud, made him delete the tweet and ended it out there. It was as big a mistake as the Sanatani mistake that was made by some leaders in the party, some of them common, and it just does not behove the grand old party.
One comment comes out like this, and it's almost as though a cue has been given
Yeah, it's the
to an
thing is the
entire
cue.
ecosystem,
Correct.
which then just goes ballistic on this north-south divide. So are you trying to tell me that this is as innocent as some guy who didn't know, or some guy who shot his mouth off, and everything else happened,
if I can add
by
to that.
coincidence? Or are you trying to say that, or are you not agreeing that there was a concerted effort कि ये toolkit है, अगर ये हुआ तो this is what we will do?
There was
Because
no
it was unusual,
Yeah.
and the kind of people, the usual suspects.
I don't think it was something which was coincidental.
it
कि
wasn't
सबने-
coincidental.
within minutes and hours it took a life of its own. Indian from South India in an Arabic attire. What do you have to say?
No,
Okay.
but you see, Tehseen has a point when he says that non-mass leaders started. But then Paji also has a point. If non-mass leaders started, right, that's the coterie of Rahul Gandhi. Let's be honest about it. Jairam Ramesh's and all those people, they won't win an election if their life depended on it. But they are the coterie. They are so-called. They've anointed themselves as the intellectuals, the force behind. So they keep coming up with all these. What's the new strategy? It takes one tweet or one direction from the mass leaders to say, shut up, this is not the way it's going to go. That doesn't happen. And what happens is, if that doesn't happen for 24 hours, that never happens publicly, the whole thing gains traction. And then you have these people like Vashne, sitting in America. They start churning out articles upon articles, deeply analyzing why South is better than North. And they obviously miss the woods for the trees, and they're completely lopsided arguments. But they start writing these articles. Then those figures from those articles get into the tweet. So it's like a complete vicious cycle that can be stopped by the Congress mass leaders. But they aren't. If you look at the data, you look at every parameter, this whole canard that was spread, I feel like metaphorically slapping them like Tom Jerry slapping. You've seen them put them.
थपक,
हाँ, थपक. क्या बोल रहे हो यार आप? कोई सेंस नहीं. और अभी केरला में कांग्रेस है, अभी तमिलनाडु में कांग्रेस कब थी लास्ट? It doesn't make sense what they talk.
Karnataka BJP is a strong party.
BJP just lost Karnataka. For 5 years they were in Karnataka. Puducherry they still have. 30 MPs of BJP are from the south, a maximum any party. I think Congress has 29.
29.
So I don't know what they're
3
talking
विधायकों
about.
में 4
पागल हो गए ये
तेलंगाना
लोग.
में लोकसभा सीट जीते. आप
Sorry,
में कितने
yeah.
जीते
So
थे?
logic
This is
का
nonsense. You
Is-
can't do
There's
this.
always been a bit of a north-south divide, not politics aside, everywhere. And I feel by 2024 we're going to have this coming up all the more.
Look, I'll disagree, and I'll tell you why. I think these people are misreading. See, any large geographical country, even smaller geographical countries, have very significant north, south, east, west divides.
Yeah.
You look at America; it's completely English.
And
speaking,
Europe.
and
Yeah.
there's the east coast, west coast, which are united
Yes.
against Middle America.
Yes.
Right? Italy has a huge north-south divide, even though they both speak Italian. Belgium has a massive north-south divide, even though that's a linguistic divide.
Yeah.
Germany has a Catholic Protestant
And
mental
if you go
divide.
to Southeast Asia, everywhere there too.
Exactly. So
Go to
this
Sri
north-south,
Lanka,
even
everywhere.
China
Yeah.
has a mental north-south divide. ठीक है? So वो छोड़ो. These guys are misreading it. See, I'll tell you one thing about every South Indian. We may make fun of North Indians, but if you're getting beaten up, we'll come to defend you. Nuclear bomb किसने बनाया?
I think Sushant is really horrified.
I agree with
South India is going to come to the defense
no,
of North
I
India.
agree with
Yeah,
Abhi.
I mean, I'm being facetious,
I
but
know.
you know what I mean.
Indian nuclear bomb South Indian nuclear bomb है क्या? सब मद्रासियों ने बनाया?
हाँ.
हैं? इंडिया का सबसे मोस्ट खतरनाक जो जर्नल था वो सुंदर जी था. वो कहाँ का था? वो मेरा मद्रासी रिश्तेदार था.
इसरो.
ठीक है. इसरो सब मद्रासियों ने बनाया है. ये सैम मैनेक्शॉ कहाँ पढ़े थे, सिखाए थे? हमारे मद्रास में
And
सिखाया
APJ
था.
also.
और वो तो न्यूक्लियर बम, मिसाइल बम वो सब
हो गया.
These people are misreading their local electoral supremacy as some kind of a divide where there is no divide. And you're going to see this is not going to, it may come up in 2024, but it is not going to go these people's way because, like Tehseen
It will go
pointed out,
against them.
everybody pointing out this so-called north-south divide is a two-bit loser who has no prospects in a actual election.
Click here to watch the full episode.